Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy the WLFI World Reliability Financial Token. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to go for the main website, and then you're going to scroll down until you see the main title right here, and just copy this. Once you copy it, you're going to go to another website and write DEX Screener. It's a famous website that allows you to watch and buy tokens on the spot. As you can see right here, this is the main website. So simply go to the search button on the top left and then write WLFI. And for here, if you need to world, just write World Liberty Financial Token, and you're going to find it in the first one that's going to receive it. Now, there's going to be many other clones. So if you would like to check which one is the official one, then make sure that you go to the website. So it's going to be this one. And then once you go to the website that they have right here, then it should make sure that you're going to be resent to the main website. And for the Twitter page, you can go to their main Twitter page right here that is fully verified. Now, once that is done, all you have to do is simply scroll down, and from here you can see that you can buy with however much you would like for this coin. And then once you click on buy, you can set, for example, $100. And then after that, all you have to do is click on connect wallet. So whatever wallet you have, from Phantom to Trust to MetaMask, whatever Solana is in them, you're going to select it. And then from here, once you connect it and click on connect, then you can purchase it directly. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.